Hi, future generation leaders. I'm going to show you how to use Voky for education. First, you need to go to App Store or Play Store and type Voky for education. This is a very nice app that allows you to record yourself using an avatar. Once you access into the app, click on Open and you will start downloading the characters. There are more than 250 characters, but some of them are not for free. They have like a dollar symbol, so you cannot use them. And something interesting is that you can use Voky online too. And the online version allows you to add 3 slides into your presentation. So once you're here, you have to click on the left and you will find different options. Let's look for an avatar without the dollar symbol. So let me select one. You can also choose one with the dollar symbol and you have to record the screen from your cell phone. So I selected this one. As you can see, the girl needs some clothes. So we can click on the clothes and look for one. Look at this one. Also, if you click on the hat, you can change the hat or take out the hat. And you can change the hair color, also the lips size and the lips color too. So all color instead of black or pink, and also the eyes color, the skin color too. And the last option is for the hair. You can change the hair color too. And if you click on background, you will select the background that better fit for you. And there are other options. There are a lot of backgrounds. You can select any of them. Now let's say that you are going to record the reading. So you have 2 options. You can type the text and the app is going to say it for you. The other option is to record your own voice. Click on the speaker on the red button and allow the microphone, the app use your microphone, and then you can start recording. You have 60 seconds to record yourself. Start recording. Hello, teacher and classmates. 1 minute is enough, I guess, for you to record a great message for your teachers and classmates. Once you have finished recording, you have to click again on the red button and you can listen to your avatar talking. Now it's time for sharing. You will find all the social media that you can share the link. I will be waiting for mine in Microsoft Teams. Bye guys!